Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page of the edition of Saturday, yes, it's weekend Saturday, February the 11th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 2 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and just solved the binary, and now it's time for the tectonic. Yes, in Dutch they call it cipher block. Cipher block number. This will be number. Let me see which number. Yeah. 5947. Yeah. 5947. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 18. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18. And if it's a hard one, hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, then I need 30 minutes or more. Well, 18, I think it's a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me see if there's a single box. No single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes then. I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple. Oh, here we have a triple boxes. Contains the 1 and 2 and a 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so that box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Only 1 triple box. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Upside down, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Okay. T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, upside down, the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, another L shape. This box has the same name as that box. Here, another L shape mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. And also for this L shape, that box has the same name as this box. Yeah. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape is this one. Yeah. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes. 3 shapes, maximum 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize those 3 shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, no 2 here. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated that 1, so the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Then. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, I should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4 in this L-shape. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, and connected with this box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shape area should be here. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shape area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well. This box can be a 3. Oh no, this box can be a 4, and this box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 2 also. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Alright, as the pair, okay. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be also a 1, okay. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. A lot of 4 and 5s here. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes can be a 2, because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 here, because then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we have a double 1 there. So, it's not the solution. So, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Then. This box can be a 2, because we have a double 2 there. That means also that box can be a 2, because it's connected. So, this box can be 2, that box can be a 2. So, the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. It can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Okay. Then. let me see. These two boxes can be 3, but also those two boxes can be 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. I should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. That means that this box, this box can be a. No, this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4 and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 and a 5. Let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. One box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and the 5. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 here also in this T-shaped area. Alright. Now these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 4 there. So this box can be a 4 anymore. So one box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. Then. Let me think. Alright. This box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So we have a pair, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, 2 and the 1. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. One box left in this area for number 4. 2 and the 1. Need to wait. These two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 1. One box left in this W area shape for number 4. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. How about 1 and a 5 then? It's unclosed here. 4 and the 5 is also unclosed. Wow, what's happening here? Here also 1 and a 5. So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1. One box left in this area for number 5. How about here, the 1 and 5? Did I make a mistake here? It's unclosed. 4 and 5. I'm stuck. Well. What's happening? 1 and 5. Oh, here 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes and there. What's happening here? There must be a mistake. 1. Can this be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, or 5? How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How about this? This 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 or a 5. Also 4 or 5. I'm stuck here. This is not good, not good. Did I make the mistake? That's the question. 3, 3, 1, 2. Must be something wrong here. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. Here can be 3, so 3 should be there. 1, 4 and 5. Well. Can be wrong here. People, where did I make the mistake? I overlooked something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Well, this is the first time that I'm stuck with this tectonic. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is open. I cannot fill those numbers. Here, cannot place the 5 or a 4. Here, I cannot place the 4 or a 5. But I need to trigger those numbers. So this box should be definitely a 5. Otherwise, I cannot trigger those numbers. So this box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. Then I can trigger those numbers. 5. So this can be a 5. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1 then. 1, 2. Yeah. I think this should be the solution. But if I place the 5 here and the 1 here, and then it should be also also correct. This could be a 4. This could be a 5. So this is the solution. If I place the 4 here, I cannot trigger those numbers. Yeah, I think this is the solution. This should be the solution. Yeah, this is strange tectonic. Yeah. If I place the 5 here and here the 4, then I cannot trigger those numbers. I need to trigger those numbers here with the 1 and the 5. Yeah. Alright. This is it. Alright. 18 minutes. 18 minutes. So it's 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.